Damn it.
Well, got a trailer house demo today. See if we can stuff the majority of it in this box here. He's got that electric line up overhead, so he's gonna drag that trailer on closer to this box. Or he can try to miss that line there. learning was fun.
Huh?
Back when learning was fun, that's what you could get to go to school. That's your notepad. They'd be wanting to throw your kid in juvenile detention if he come to school with one of them now, wouldn't he?
Don't throw it away.
Oh, I won't. Yep, Farrah Fawcett, 1977. Yeah, I don't think they'd allow something like that at school these days. Pretty cool. Boy, she was a beauty. Classics. Warning, do not travel faster than the speed of light or these shoes may disintegrate. Rad Reeboks. Wow. Oh, them things probably worth some money. Well, I don't know if any of these old pants are worth anything, but I know I've seen that these Levi's can be worth something. I've never seen anything like those. They're in pretty decent shape still. There's another pair. They've got the red. I don't know what all that means, but I've heard the old Levi's can be worth money. I've never seen any like that. Old Wranglers, other old pants. I guess I'll keep them. Crue and Poison and all that? Was you into that? Or was that Derek?
Yeah, some of the Motley Crue was mine. Derek was into the Poison.
Yeah, them posters were still on the wall and stuff.
Yeah. I figured they probably was.
It even had this back bedroom. I didn't know this place sort of turned down, but it said something like David's side, keep out of left side. Yeah. You remember doing that?
I don't remember any of that.
You didn't go in and check it out one last time before we tore it down?
No. There's so many rats and shit in there, I didn't want to do it.
Yeah, there was still clothes in the closet.
That's what Derek came out and looked into it the other day. I told him, I said, if there's anything in there you want, you better go get it.
Did he find anything?
No.
I went through the window one time, there was raccoons in them. coming. Come on in.
I'm surprised how much you guys were able to get in this 30-yard dumpster. Like, wow, you got a lot in there.
That's what Dad said. They might be irritated at how much we did pack in there. Sometimes, like, I think Gorby, if he knows you're loading with a hoe, he won't even send one.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I've heard.
I was gonna get one from Gorby because he had some 40-yard ones, and your dad said it. He won't let me load his containers.
Yeah.
So I called this guy. He said, I don't want anything hanging over the sides. I don't want it loaded from the side. I don't have to open the door and load it from the door.
Open the door?
That's what he said. I said, well,
Okay.
I'll let him know.
Usually you don't take it to dump them.
Yeah, it'll come out there like a packed like a hay bale. Oh, nice.
Right now.
Now he was into hockey, wasn't he too?
Yeah, probably. He used to come out here and put his long underwear on. He'd take Grandma Drew's color markers and make stripes and stuff on his long underwear when he was little. Make a football uniform.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Stand out there and play football with himself. He'll throw the ball up in there and he'd run and catch it and then fall down and